What's up, y'all? JRose24K, aka Rose. Oh. What's up, y'all? This is JRose24K here, aka Rose Adventures. Welcome back to another video where today I will be opening up Prismatic Evolutions. And for all you car collectors out there, you know it's Traumatic Evolutions. So basically, today what we're talking about is the pull rates on these guys, but at the same time, I was like, you know what? I'll just open up this box, see what I can do. So I have one to keep sealed, obviously, and one from GameStop, aka as you guys like to call Scalp Stop. But yeah, we have a box here to see if we can pull that Moonbryon. So let's get right into it, shall we? Also, shout out to Mama Rose. She helped me out with these boxes. You already know that's what's up. Right. And of course, for all you Eevee fans, you already know you got the big terrestrialized Eevee on the front. And if you don't know, now you know. So it's supposed to come with at least about, if you can see, 19 packs of Prismatic Evolutions, some sleeves here, a promo card of Eevee, and then of course the Eevee deck box. Kind of wish it was a Pikachu, but you know, Eevee's still cool to me. So let's go ahead and check this out. So of course you got the opening of the box here. We have our promo card, very beautiful. We got your Eevee deck box, which obviously I'm not going to keep this guy, but I might give it away to a little sister or something. And then of course you got your sleeves along with the play mats as well. And our packs. So let's go ahead and get into these packs real quick. That way we can see if we pull that Moonbryon. So let's hopefully get something good. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and go into this box so that way you guys are aware of what you're getting when you do purchase the Prismatic Evolutions. You do get the Eevee bundle box, so if you wanted to take a deck, you can go ahead and play with the deck box. You do get your Eevee promo, which of course I believe is one of the more beautiful cards in the game. You do get your Eevee sleeves with all the Evolutions on it, of course, hollow foil. For all the Eevee fans out there, you may want to use these for when you're collecting this, of course. And finally, you do get your, of course, playmat when you do decide to go play the game, and the 19 booster packs, which we're about to get into right now. Alright, so let's get down into the nitty gritty, see if we can go ahead and pull this Moonbryon out of here. Of course, for some of you, you know the card trick. Put that code on the side, one to the front. And we got a Houndour. Hope you guys are having a great summer so far, by the way. This is pretty much one of the coolest card pools. And hollow. Alright, so we got a holographic Flareon. Not bad. Pretty good. Pack number 2. Code card as always, one to the front. And we got Fire Energy. We have a water type. We got Rotom. What we gonna do? Got our hollow, okay. Second hollow, and good stuff. Nice! We got a full art. So we got a full art Brassius. Trainer card. Don't know how much it's worth yet, but we'll see. We'll check that out later. Awesome hit. First hit for this set. Not bad, not bad. Maybe Traumatic will treat me right this time. Alright, third pack magic. Put that down, one to the front as always. I'm gonna say fire type. It's steel, no worries. Alright, got our trainer. We got Dunsparce, another trainer. Houndoom, Sea King, trainer, Screamtail, our hollow, into a hollow Leafeon. So far, so good. So far, so good. And here we go, Water Energy. Going in a Hoot. Miltank. We got Lucario. Got another trainer. Slowking. Flash Trumpet. Got our Pokeball, nice. That's a good pull. Into our hollow and another hollow. So it's a Jolteon this time. This one's really cool. The Pokeballs are a little bit harder to get in this as well. Some could be rare. Most of the time if it's a Pokemon like the Master Ball Vaporeon I pulled before. So you guys are into that. That's a pretty cool one. Alright. 4th, 5th pack I want to say. This one feels a little heavier. I'm hoping this is a good card. Alright. So of course we got our code card again. Going with energy. Let's say electric. Grass. Alright. We got a trainer. Got our Cherubi. Into another trainer. A lot of trainer cards in this. Here's our first holo. Into a Pokeball. Nice, we got an EX. So a Pokeball and an EX. EX Noivern, just in case if you haven't seen that one. And we have a Pokeball. Oh, actually, no, it's a Master Ball. That's even better. So we got a Master Ball of Bronzong. Hopefully that's a little bit more rare than I expect, but not an evolution, of course. That's a good pull. So 2 hits out of 1 pack is pretty good. Pretty good. Gotta sleeve these up real quick. Nice pulls, nice pulls. Let's go ahead and put that code card there. It'd be great if I end up pulling Holo Energy. Okay, that could be a good sign. Got a trainer, Dusclops. We've got another trainer going again. This is looking pretty good. A Pokeball Hawlucha, Master Ball, into a Holo Vaporeon. That's pretty good. So 2 Pokeball cards in a pack. That's different. I've never done that before. So that's really cool. Oh man, I'm excited for that now. You know what? This might be the good luck box. Mama Rose probably picked out the best box. That's crazy. Alright, so far so good. We got quite a bit of hits out of this box. Traumatic isn't as traumatic today. Do that. Let's go electric. Fire. Alright, so it's fire energy. We got ourselves an Eevee, Execute, a trainer, Dunsparce, another trainer card, another support. And we're hitting our holos. Holo Slowking into a Blood Moon Ursulana. Not bad. Holo, but not bad. Pretty good. Pretty good indeed. I'm hoping a lot of you guys can get this box. This is a really cool box. I just know the price is pretty up there right now. But steel. Alright, so we're going steel. You got yourself a Slowbro. I forgot his name. Cottony. Stadium. You got yourself another Slowking. So we got a Holo. Holo Jolteon. To a Holo Glaceon. We get a lot of the holos of the evolutions. It's pretty good. Pretty good indeed. I'm hoping the box didn't give me all the luck already. So far so good though. Alright, this time I'm gonna go water. Grass. That's okay. Alright, so we're going into it with a Cherubi. Got a Sneasel. A Hoot. Got a trainer. Another trainer card. Got ourselves a Slowking. Pokeball Florget. Good one. A holo into a Holo Whimsicott. But we got another Pokeball. So a Pokeball Pyroar actually. My mistake. So that's pretty good. There's a lot of Pokeballs in this box, which I'm actually surprised by because there's not supposed to be that many Pokeballs in this box. Alright, cool. Going into, I want to say pack number 10 with electric. Hey, there it is. We're going with the small lion. We're going with Duraludon trainer. Got ourselves Buddy Puffkin. Another Pyroar. Got our Holo Heatran. Holo Pinsir into a Holo Archaludon. Not too bad. Not too bad. As a Pikachu collector, obviously, having Pikachu cards to me would be pretty sick. Alright. Cool. Already saw the fighting. Going another Sneasel. Trainer Professor Oak, 1996. That's that guy. Dusclops. We're going Dunsparce. Going into Bronzong. Another trainer card. Another trainer. Future card. Oh, okay, we got a Holo Eevee. Nice! We got an EX of Cornerstone Mask Ogerpon. That is awesome. So we got another EX out of this box. I think you get better hits out of the bigger boxes. That's crazy. Let's hope one of these packs will give us Evolution Full Art or something like that, an SIR. Also, hope you guys are getting the 30th anniversary stuff for September. Good luck with that. I know GameStop has pre-orders. Go check them out. All right, starting off with Fire Energy, of course. We got Baniri, Pinsir, Larvitar, Trainer, Screamtail, another Trainer card, Regigigas. All right, Professor Oak, 96 again. We're going Holo. Into another Holo, into another Holo. So Holo Groudon. Wish he was a little bit more rare, but over the years, you know, legendaries aren't as rare as they used to be. Hopefully, we get some last pack magic out of any of these packs here going on. I'm gonna say Grass type, Psychic. Okay, and it's a Holo, so that's a good sign. Starting off with Houndour, Cherubi again. Going to a Water, Hoot, Applin, Trainer, another Trainer, Pokeball Shaman. That's pretty good. Into a Holo Trainer, and the final card is a Holo Flareon again. So another Pokeball, another day. Also, guys, don't forget, you can comment inside the comment section. Let me know what is your favorite Pokemon, or even do you think the Pokeballs are worth it? I know they are to me. All right, so we got that. 2 more packs here. 1 more pack remaining after this, obviously. All right, starting it off with a Fire, Steel type. All right, going into Execute, Sneasel, Professor Oak, Dusclops, Trainer, Alucha. The Holo Trainer card there. Holo Lucario into Holo Trumpet. There's a lot of Holos in this. And a Holo Okidogi. Okidogi. Alright guys, final pack, last pack magic. If you guys want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe, comment, let me know what you guys want to see. I'm hoping to get the 30th anniversary stuff for September, so if you definitely want to see that, subscribe. I'm going to try to do that on this channel for sure. Let's get this last pack magic going. Starting off with Water. There it is, Water. Hopefully that's good luck. We got a Trainer. We got Frou-Frou. We got Lucario. We got our friends in Paldea. Heatran. We've got Penny. We got a Shaman again. Holo Ursaring. Holo Ogerpon Mask, and we end it with a Holo Iron Boulder. Alright, so not bad. Not a bad box. I've had worse boxes, but not a bad box. Not a bad box at all. I'll probably keep this one on the side. Sweet, so counting this guy, obviously, we've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pulls. That's not as traumatic as I thought. Thanks for watching the video today. I hope you guys had a blast. Just let me know in the comments what could I have done better, or if anything, just let me know exactly what you guys want to see. I will be opening more packs, maybe Ascended Heroes, maybe Pitch Black. Let me know what you want to see. All right, guys, till then, see you guys next time in the video. Peace!